Video 4. Dissolved Oxygen Visocolour Grey Kit. To begin, rinse the sample bottle 3 times with the sample water. Now, gently pour water into the glass sample bottle until it overflows. Use the glass stopper and insert it to displace the correct amount of water. Don't shake the bottle or mix the water, as this will alter the oxygen content. Add 4 drops of oxygen 1 to the solution. Next, add 4 drops of oxygen 2 and securely close the bottle with the stopper. Give it a good shake to mix the contents. Let the solution precipitate for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add 12 drops of oxygen 3 to the solution. Close the bottle again and mix until all the deposit is dissolved. Rinse the test tube with the solution from the previous step and then fill the test tube up to the ring mark. Add 1 drop of oxygen 4 to the solution. Observe as the solution changes from amber to grey-blue. If needed, you can add more indicator solution. Using the syringe provided in your kit, fill it with titration solution TLSA10 up to the marked 0 line on the side. Now, slowly add the titration solution to the solution in the test tube. After every drop, swirl the solution. Stop adding drops when the solution turns from light blue to clear. Record the number on the side of the syringe where the plunger has stopped. If you had to refill the syringe a second time, refill again to the 0 mark. And when the test is complete, add 10 to your final result. Finally, dispose of the solution and any remaining titration fluid properly into your waste container.
Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more water testing procedures in our video series.